Rice has been a fundamental food for countless generations across the globe, especially rooted in ancient Asian traditions. It used to be that rice was eaten as a whole grain, with all its natural components intact, the bran, germ, and endosperm. This version, which we know as brown rice, is packed with fibre and nutrients. In the past, white rice was a luxury. To make it, the outer layers of the grain were removed, a process reserved for the well-off. This polished white grain became a symbol of affluence. But as milling technology advanced, white rice became a common food staple, replacing the more nutritious brown rice on most plates. The issue with white rice is that it lacks the fibre that its whole grain counterpart, brown rice, offers. Fibre is essential for controlling the speed at which sugar is absorbed into our bloodstream. With its fibre stripped away, white rice quickly turns into glucose in our bodies, causing swift rises in blood sugar that can be harmful, particularly for people with diabetes. Studies, including those from reputable institutions like the Harvard School of Public Health, show that swapping white rice for whole grains could help reduce the risk of diabetes. Unlike white rice, whole grains have a lower glycemic index, which means they help maintain more stable blood sugar levels. Despite its rich history and the role it plays in many traditional cuisines, people are becoming more mindful of white rice's health implications. There's a shift towards grains that offer a better balance of nutrients and don't spike blood sugar as much. And today, we'll introduce you to a lineup of nutritious grains and rice alternatives that can easily be incorporated into your meals. Let's start with quinoa. Quinoa, often referred to as a superfood, is an excellent substitute for white rice. Originating from the Andean region of South America, it has been a staple in the diet of the local populations for millennia. What makes quinoa stand out is its nutritional profile. It's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies can't produce on their own. This is particularly rare in plant-based foods, making quinoa an ideal ingredient for vegetarians and vegans looking to boost their protein intake. In terms of blood sugar management, quinoa's low glycemic index is a significant benefit. Foods with a low glycemic index release glucose more slowly into the bloodstream, which can prevent the rapid spikes in blood sugar that are a concern with high glycemic foods like white rice. This slow release of energy can also help you feel full longer, reducing the likelihood of snacking between meals, which can be beneficial for weight management. Additionally, quinoa is rich in fibre, minerals, and B vitamins. The fibre content helps to slow digestion and the absorption of carbohydrates, which aids in maintaining stable blood sugar levels. It's also gluten-free, making it an excellent option for those with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. Quinoa's versatility is another advantage. It can be used in place of rice in many dishes, from stir-fries to salads, and it can even be a base for breakfast porridges or used in baking. It's easy to cook and has a nutty flavour that complements a wide variety of foods. By incorporating quinoa into your diet as an alternative to white rice, you can enjoy a delicious and nutritious grain that supports your overall health and helps regulate your blood sugar levels. Another fantastic option is cauliflower rice. Cauliflower rice is a culinary trend that's not only innovative, but also offers significant health benefits, especially for those looking to manage their blood sugar. It's made by pulsing cauliflower florets in a food processor until they reach a rice-like texture. This simple yet ingenious idea has roots in health-conscious communities and has gained popularity for its role in low-carbohydrate and ketogenic diets. The humble cauliflower provides a low-calorie, low-carb alternative to white rice, which is often high in simple carbohydrates and can lead to increased blood sugar levels. In contrast, cauliflower is rich in fibre and nutrients while being remarkably low in calories, making it an ideal rice substitute for weight management and blood sugar control. Cauliflower rice is incredibly versatile. Its subtle flavour means it can take on the taste of whatever it's cooked with, allowing it to blend seamlessly into a variety of dishes. It can be sautéed with garlic and herbs for a simple side, or incorporated into more complex recipes like stir-fries, burrito bowls, and risottos. It can even be a base for a pizza crust for those seeking a gluten-free, lower-carb option. Additionally, cauliflower is high in vitamins C and K, and is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. It can also provide a good amount of choline, which is important for brain health, and antioxidants that are beneficial for overall well-being. For those concerned about managing their blood sugar levels, cauliflower rice presents a practical solution to enjoy a satisfying meal without the worry of carbohydrate overload that can come with traditional rice. Its ease of preparation and the fact that it can be a part of almost any meal make it a must-try for anyone looking for healthy dietary alternatives. Next on our list are lentils. Lentils are indeed a boon for anyone looking to add a nutritious punch to their meals while keeping an eye on their blood sugar. These small but mighty legumes are a powerhouse of nutrients, boasting a rich content of both fibre and protein, which are instrumental in moderating blood sugar levels after meals. The fibre in lentils is of a soluble nature, which means it forms a gel-like substance in the gut that slows down digestion and the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream. This helps prevent the rapid spikes in blood sugar that can occur after eating more refined carbohydrates. Additionally, the high protein content in lentils aids in promoting satiety, meaning you feel full for a longer period, which can help curb unnecessary snacking and aid in weight management, a crucial aspect of managing diabetes. Lentils are incredibly flexible in the kitchen. They can be used in place of rice in a variety of dishes without compromising taste or texture. You can whip up a hearty lentil soup, toss it into salads, or use it as a base for a stir-fry or casserole. Lentils can even be mashed and formed into patties as a meat alternative, or used to make a meatless bolognese sauce over whole grain pasta. Beyond their blood sugar stabilizing abilities, lentils are also loaded with other nutrients, including iron, which is essential for energy production, and folate, which is crucial for heart health. They come in a range of colours and sizes, each with its unique flavour, from the peppery black lentils to the earthy green and sweet red varieties, making them a versatile choice for culinary exploration. Incorporating lentils into your diet in place of rice is not only a step towards stabilising blood sugar levels, but also a step towards embracing a diet rich in plant-based nutrients. They can easily become a staple in the pantry of anyone looking to maintain a healthy and balanced diet. Another incredible rice alternative is Shirataki noodles. Shirataki noodles, derived from the Japanese konjac yam, are indeed a remarkable substitute for traditional rice. These noodles are a culinary gem for those looking to reduce their carbohydrate intake. Due to their high content of glucomannan, a type of fibre, they have virtually no digestible carbs and, consequently, a negligible impact on blood sugar levels. The glucomannan fibre in Shirataki noodles is key to their blood sugar regulating properties. When consumed, this fibre forms a viscous solution that can slow the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream. This delayed absorption is crucial for preventing the sharp spikes in blood sugar that can occur with high carbohydrate meals. Moreover, Shirataki noodles have a unique texture that's both slightly chewy and gelatinous, which can add an interesting dimension to a variety of dishes. Their neutral flavour profile means they readily absorb the tastes of the sauces and seasonings they're paired with, making them an incredibly versatile ingredient in the kitchen. Whether you're preparing a stir-fry, a noodle soup, or a pasta dish, Shirataki noodles can be used as a direct substitute for rice or any noodle variety. They are particularly well suited to Asian-inspired dishes, enhancing the authenticity of the meal while aligning with dietary goals. Aside from being favourable for blood sugar control, Shirataki noodles are also beneficial for weight management due to their low calorie count and the feeling of fullness they can provide, thanks to their high fibre content. This can help curb overeating and may contribute to weight loss, which is often recommended for those managing diabetes. To use Shirataki noodles, it's important to rinse them thoroughly and cook them according to package instructions, which typically call for a brief boil or pan frying to remove excess water and achieve the desired texture. Integrating shirataki noodles into meals not only offers a blood sugar-friendly alternative to rice, but also introduces an enjoyable new texture and versatility to your culinary repertoire. They are a clear illustration of how diet modifications for health can also open up a whole new world of flavors and experiences. And there you have it, powerful rice alternatives for controlling blood sugar levels. Exploring alternatives to rice can be a transformative step toward naturally regulating your blood sugar. It's all about discovering options that resonate with your taste buds and align with your health goals. We hope this video enlightens you to some delicious and nutritious possibilities. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and delectable recipes that cater to your well-being. Share this video on social media and help us spread the word about health and nutrition. Thank you so much for watching. Have a healthy and happy day.